Hey there, it's Mrs. Croft again. I'm excited to be one of your math online teachers this year. Today we're going to start with lesson 15 in module 6. And today we are learning to use math drawings to partition a rectangle with square tiles and relate it to repeated addition. So we can be ready for multiplication and division. This word partition just means to make sections, okay? I hope you're excited about this. Today our vocabulary repeats what we've learned in the previous lessons. We're talking about arrays. Arrays are an arrangement of objects in rows and columns. Now don't forget, columns are the vertical groups in a rectangular array. Vertical goes up and down. And rows are the horizontal groups that go side to side in an array. So our learning intention is I can use math drawings to partition rectangles and write a repeated addition statement. And I know I have it when I can shade an array with my pencil to show the total number of objects. I can write a repeated addition statement. And I'm sure you'll be professionals at doing that by the time we're done. So let's do some fluency first. We're going to subtract common units. We're going to start with the number 77. Can you say that number in unit form? 7 tens, 7 ones. Great job. Unit form always has the digit and the word behind it. Say the subtraction sentence and answer in unit form. Ready? 77 minus 33 equals, that's right, 44. You're great at this. 99. Say the number in unit form. 9 tens, 9 ones. Now, say the subtraction sentence and answer in unit form. 99 minus 33 equals 66. Way to go! Now that we're done with our fluency, we can move on to our application problem. This lesson is talking about taking arrays and partitioning them into different sections. So let's read about Rick. Rick is filling his muffin pan with batter. I bet you want to know what a muffin pan looks like. A muffin pan looks like this. A muffin pan has circles that you can put cupcake liners in, and you can pour muffin batter in and make your muffins. It has rows and it has columns, just like an array. So, Rick is filling his muffin pan with batter. He fills 2 columns of 4. 1 column of 4 is empty. Did he fill the whole thing? No, he didn't fill the whole thing. He filled 2 columns of 4, and 1 is still empty. If you were to draw a picture, this is what it would look like. Here's your muffin tin. It looks just like the muffin tin that I just showed you. Rick filled 2 columns, remember they go up and down, of 4. 4 here and 4 here. And 1 column is empty. If we were to write a repeated addition sentence to tell how many muffins he makes, it would look like this. 4 plus 4, right here, equals 8. And then if we wanted to do rows, we could change the numbers. There are 2 in each row. So you could also write the repeated addition sentence as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Pretty simple, huh? So every array can be written as a repeated addition sentence using columns or rows. And we have to write a sentence now. So here's our statement. Rick makes 8 muffins because we need a label. Today, your lesson that you will do is lesson 15 problem set. when you go on the website and watch the YouTube video after you've watched mine, click on your lesson and do this problem set. It says shade an array with 2 rows of 3. Notice it says rows. Be careful. Rows go side to side. So this is a row. Okay, then you're going to write a repeated addition equation for the array. Be sure your equation lists the rows, not the columns, because this says rows. Another problem you'll have, or 2 other problems, are number 4 and number 5. They're a little bit different and they're kind of tricky because you are not just going to shade in columns, you are going to draw another column of 2. And on this one, you're going to draw 1 more row of 4 and then 1 more column to make a new array. So your arrays will be bigger than the arrays that are right here. So be careful with those rows and columns, and then share these with your teacher when you see them in class. Lesson 16, Art. This is fun. So after you're done with lesson 15, you're going to take the Topic C quiz. That's tomorrow's lesson. Topic C quiz, and then you get to do some fun art. These are grids, just like you would have on grid paper. Now, if you don't have grid paper at home, you can take a ruler and you can make grid paper just by tracing the lines. Okay, then you're going to shade to create a copy of these designs. So you can try these 2 designs from here, or you can take and make your own designs. Okay, so patterns that repeat are called tessellations, and that's kind of where this is leading. You can use, if you don't have a ruler, you can use square tiles like these. You can use Cheez-Its or even Starburst candies, anything that's a little square to make your grid. So I hope you have fun with the art, and I hope you do well on your topic quiz. Be sure to ask your teacher questions if you have them. All right, who's ready for a math joke? Why was the math book sad? He had so many problems. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. See you next time.